I was just not healing. The pain was intense and I didn't know when this was going to end because my 3 months was over and I was still in pain. But their team worked my body like crazy. Within 2 days, literally 2 days, I was no longer using my walking stick. Hi, my name is Reshma Nigam. I'm 72 years old and I live in California in the US. I'm a marketing person and I run my own company. So I had tear in my hip. The doctors felt that they needed to go in there and stitch the hip. It was not a replacement, but unlike a replacement where you put a outside object and the hip is supposed to work very well, this required a lot of treatment and I had to lie flat on my back for 6 weeks and only use a walker. Then I graduated to a walking stick. But I was just not healing. The pain was intense and I didn't know when this was going to end because my 3 months was over and I was still in pain. I did travel some, that exacerbated it. Being on a wheelchair made it worse because you go thump, 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 and my hip was taking the brunt of it. So I was really at a crossroads, and the therapists here were doing a very good job and helping me. So was the doctor, but I felt that I was just not improving, and I was terrified because I'm an avid hiker, and that could have actually caused all this over the years. But there was no incident that had happened, and I had taken this big step of having it stitched, and now I couldn't even climb a flight of stairs. So I was really upset and worried about what I had done. So I was talking to a friend of mine. We were going on a trip together, but I was in so much pain that I said, I'll have to cancel out. And it was a women only trip. And my friend going through treatment with Resolve 360. And she said, you better start with this because they've turned my life around, and start tomorrow, and in a week you'll feel so much better that you will come with me. I trust her a lot, so I said fine, but how are we going to do it? These people are in India and how am I going to? I'm sitting here in California. So she says, oh, don't worry about it, they'll do it. So I had some misgivings, but being in technology and being an avid user of Zoom, I was very comfortable with the technology, but I couldn't understand how they would help me do something physical online. But I trusted Vani implicitly. So the very next day, I started with Resolve 360 and I've never looked back because their team worked my body like crazy. Within 2 days, literally 2 days, I was no longer using my walking stick. I could walk comfortably. My pain was much less. I had not been able to sleep on my left side for 3.5 months. And I could do it immediately. I mean, within a week, I was sleeping on my left side with a lot of care. So it's this little bit of tweaking that they do that I think is a brilliant thing, because they check my diet, what I did during the course of the day, and how I stretched and what was the pain level. And I had not expected any of this because none of this was happening with my other therapists, whom I thought was very good, and I still consider them very good. But it's that whole circle that Resolve 360 does that completely threw me off. So, at my age, everything hurts. So even with all the exercises, I still feel aches and pains. But now when I get up in the night to go to the washroom, I do the little 2-second exercises to make me just get out of bed and walk without having to stand and then struggle and then take one step and go and all of that. And I forgot to tell you that my husband, who's scheduled for a knee surgery, I told him, well, while your surgery happens, try them out. And he has had a tremendous progress where he's not feeling pain. That constant pain that he had even when he was sitting or sleeping, it's gone for him. So I just want to tell you that all my friends, this age group, have already taken Resolve 360's link and they're ready to sign up. But I recommend this for people who are not even injured and who are not in pain, because that's where we are going to get. So I highly recommend it. And if you want to take care of your health in future, pre-pain, I would think you should do it. I thank them a lot, almost every day, because they've done such a tremendous job. And like I said, I just want to continue, and so does my husband.